There's a quick tutorial on the best way of using Thera Guns, the most efficient way of getting the most amount of blood flow to the area and improving the circulation and recovery of a muscle. Now in my opinion it works on large muscles best, so if you've got like chest, lats, quads, glutes, calves are your best bet. If you're going on the intricate ones, the issues you got there is if you get quite close to the bone or you're getting quite close to a joint, you got the chance of it ricocheting and then causing some just pain or pain when you hit the bone or near the joint. So best ways of doing it is, if you were to think of it like 10 out of 10 would be pushing down as hard as you possibly can. You want to back off that to about a 5 out of 10 max. So what I'd start with is start off on the lowest setting and you're going at 5 out of 10 and it's just gentle strokes moving up and down around the area. Now if you encounter a point which is quite tender, where you feel that it's more sore than the rest of the muscle, rather than pressing down on the area intently, is just do small circles around and then moving, making those more concentrated around that area. So you find a point that hurts, back off with it, small strokes around the area like that, making the circle bigger, so increasing the circumference of the circle, and then back into the big strokes like a paintbrush there, nice and smooth and slowly. Now what works with these very, very well is remember that you're improving blood flow, so if we can get the joint to articulate, so basically move, that's going to help a lot as well. So that's if we're working on the quad, that we just get some nice gentle swings as well, where we're focusing on knee flexion, hip extension, and then hip flexion, knee extension, so we're getting some the joint to release as well. So you want to increase the size of the swings, nice and fluid like so, doing this for anywhere between 30 to 90 seconds, and then you go back to the gun around the area, finding that position. And it's an excellent way of improving recovery, and you can use the principle on any joint and any muscle. So what you want to make sure of is you're just finding the point, gently 5 out of 10, get the joint to move and move through. Now one thing I would say is if you're working on the chest or anything on the torso, obviously keep it away from the ribs, keep it away from the heart. The best bet is appendicular muscles, so muscles on the legs and arms, and keeping it on the bulkiest part of the muscle as well.